Hey everyone, this is Enigma from SportsCardForum.com, your ultimate in sports card trading and discussion. Today we will be breaking one box of 2008 Upper Deck Premier Baseball. This is for a group break that we have running on the site, where members have bought in and will be receiving various cards from this break. So without further ado, here we go. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get this to clip properly. Never busted a box of Premier, so I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. Oh, alright, getting the wrap to come off, and a little cardboard cover to reveal. There's the seal. And now, to get to the pack. Set this to the side. As you can see, we have one sealed pack. We're going to trim the tops off. Here comes the cards. We have a base. Kevin Youkilis of the Boston Red Sox, number 21 of 99. We have a rookie signature of Denny Lutie of the Chicago White Sox, number 283 of 299. We have Premier Teams: Yankees, Don Mattingly, Reggie Jackson, Derek Jeter, triple jersey card. The Jeter has a pinstripe in it. It is numbered 38 of 50. Oh, a sweet patch here of Grady Sizemore. It's number 21 of 50 Premier Swatches. The first patch is 4 color breaks. The second one is 1, and the third one also has 4 color breaks on it. Very nice looking. Our Premier patches of Eddie Murray. Premier stitchings number 67 of 75 from the Baltimore Orioles. We have Signature Premier, numbered, looks like 7 of 36, Gaylord Perry with the Giants. And our final card is autograph Ivan Rodriguez, numbered 6 of 25, Milestones autograph of the Detroit Tigers. So to recap, we have a Kevin Youkilis base. We have a Denny Lutie autograph. We have a triple jersey of the Yankees, Mattingly, Jackson, and Jeter. We've got our Premier swatches of Grady Sizemore. We've got the Premier stitchings, Eddie Murray. Got a Gaylord Perry autograph. And we have an Ivan Rodriguez autograph. Thank you everyone for watching this. If you are interested in any of these cards, any boxes of Upper Deck Premier, or any other cards and boxes, please join us at www.sportsforum.com and let them know that Enigma sent you. Have a nice day.